Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to force turn off and reboot your OnePlus 7 Pro. Alright, so maybe your phone is frozen on a certain app or something. Maybe you have a bunch of apps open and the phone froze for some reason. So let's say it got frozen here in this app. Once you want to unfreeze your phone, so force, turn off, and reboot it, what you would do is you're going to press the volume up and press the power button. So you're going to hold both these two buttons until the phone powers off. Once it powers off, you're going to let go of the volume up and continue to hold the power button. All right, so let's do it now so that you can see. So volume up and the power button, hold them both. Once you see the phone turns off, we'll let go of the volume button and just continue to hold the power button. And the phone will turn off and back on, doing a complete reboot, and then your phone should start working normally once again. And there you go. As you can see, the phone has rebooted. It should have closed all of your apps and unfroze the phone. And now you should be able to start using your phone normally again. Alright, so that was just a quick video on how to force, turn off, and reboot your OnePlus 7 Pro. So hope this was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and give it a like. And I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.